So I'm at the famous infant area right now. This is more than a 50 years old restaurant. It's a beautiful place actually to dine. Infant area is the most oldest bakery in Goa, and it's right next to the Sanjao Baptist Chapel. That is the Calangute Baga road. This is actually the whole stretch that actually goes to Baga. So if you're coming down, you can come down to Infant area. It's a beautiful place. And I'm heading to the Tibetan market, and then I'll head to the Calangute Beach, guys. And if you do like the video and you're coming down to Goa, please visit these places. It's awesome during the season. So guys, I'm just entering the Tibetan market, and you can see everything here is all Tibetan, right from silverware to diamonds, stones, anything that you like. There are beautiful shawls as well. Lovely shawls. ये कितने का है ये shawls? Stroll. Stole. Okay. 700 ka. And that's 900. Quality. Okay. Stole. Yes. Shawl. वो shawl है, ये stole है. Okay. Nice. Thank you. And if you see, there's a lot of silver stones.
Whatever you want to give, I know what he's saying. How do I know?
It's a lot of precious stones that you can find in the Tibetan market. And she's got a lot of silver as well. This is beautiful. Very nice. How much is this for? This one?
650.
6?
650.
Okay, 650. But this is just normal metal, right?
No.
Okay, very nice. So guys, this is all silver, stainless steel.
30,000, 40,000.
And those are silver, guys, if you like that. Thank you. If you see, it's got a lovely collection. Now I'll just show around, guys.
अपना बकबक पूछने सुबह जो होता था वो बकबक नहीं है
I will actually put the link in the description where you can come and get this Tibetan market stuff. It has a lot of souvenirs as well, right from silver to stoneware. If you do like, you can always come down here. You see the variety of kadas that they have, and they have shawls. You can see a lot of artifacts, mostly all from Tibet. And that's it. This is just a Gretchen market. It happens every day, every single day. This is of course their lunch time, but it does get crowded in the evening. So guys, do come here. And I'm heading to Calangute right now to show you the situation at Calangute Beach. So stick around guys and do like and subscribe. So guys, welcome to another video. I am in Calangute right now this afternoon, and the people have come in. There's crowd, there is shops open, variety of souvenirs, t-shirts, pants, guys and girls. You have the wine shop, you have all the dry fruit stores. So let's head towards exploring Calangute Beach right now. This is right close to the Calangute Beach. There's another wine shop here guys. Again, Goa's tax free for alcohol, so you can come, buy, drink, do whatever you want to do. The beach is just 4 minutes away from where I am right now. And again, I'll be putting a lot of videos guys this week, every day, week by week. Alcohol videos, all the situations that are in Goa, South Goa, North Goa. I'll be covering up every nook and corner, where you can stay, where you can eat, visit, all the possible beaches. So if you do like my video, do subscribe guys. If you're watching it, just give a thumbs up and do subscribe. If you want to buy fake labubus also, you'll get it here. These are all the souvenir shops guys. These are all the fake labubus. Yeah, pretty cool. Where ye labubu kitne ka hai?
Yeah, 200.
200. So guys,
300.
if you want to buy labubus for 6,000, you can get it for just 200-300 bucks in Goa, and attach it to your bags. Alright. I'll give it to you. Kulfi also guys, if you want, you can always buy kulfi. But no time for kulfi right now. Heading to the beach. So I'd like to inform you all that if you like crowd, Calangute, Baga and Kanduli are the places that you can visit, because they have a lot of sport activities. But if you want something peaceful, which I'll show you all in my upcoming videos, which is Morjim, Ashwem, Arambol side. But Calangute is also not bad. A lot of souvenir shops guys. A lot of souvenir shops. Okay, let's go this way. That thing there is Soza Lobo. It's a very, very old, and I think it's one of the first restaurants and bars in Calangute. Their fish curry rice was used to be one of their famous signature dishes. But you can always check it out, guys, as there are many shacks that have come in down here. Even Calangute has a lot of sports activities, water sports. That is there are shacks over there, which I'll show you all in a minute. But this is Calangute Beach. Again, do like and subscribe my channel, guys. And I'll see you all in a minute. I'll just walk down there and show you all what's happening. So guys, this is the current situation right now. People are just having fun, which is not bad. But you'll have a lot of Indian crowd here and a lot of sports activities.
एक पर आए करके एक पर आए करके
I think they're getting prepared for the jet ski.
Calangute water sports है.
And these are all the water activities that actually happen here. See a lot of boats, jet skis. They have a lot of parasailing too, which I'll show you all in my upcoming videos. But yeah, as you see, this is much pretty edge. This is the Calangute Beach.